Welcome back, friends! This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we're learning about the letter I. In this book, we learn the I words in, ink, inch, insect, and iguana. Our special guests are hamster and pig. This letter is an I. I makes the sound I. Try to say it with me. I. Here we have an inn. Kind of like a hotel, inns are where people stay when they travel. Inn. Now, this word might look similar to the last one, but it's pronounced differently. This is ink. People use ink for writing and drawing. This is an inch. An inch is a small measurement. Inch. This is an insect. An insect is a type of animal. They are small and colorful. This is an iguana, a green reptile. Iguana. Let's play a game. Which one do you think does not belong? In, hamster, ink, inch, insect, or iguana? If you guessed hamster, you're correct. Hamster does not have an I sound in it, so it is the one that does not belong. Let's try again. This time we have an in, pig, ink, inch, insect, and iguana. Which one does not fit? That's right, it's the pig. Great work. Now let's play another game. Point to the in as soon as you see it. Which one is the in? Great work, this is the in. Let's go again. Which one is the ink? Amazing, this is the ink. Now, which one is the inch? Remember the small measurement? Great, this is the inch. Again, which one do you think is the insect? That's right, this is the insect. Last one. Which one do you think is the iguana? Awesome, this is the iguana. Repeat after me one more time all of our I words. In, ink, inch, insect, iguana. Amazing work, everybody! Come join me on storybee.space for more learning. See you on the next one.